Consider this problem. Tim bought an electric vehicle that was selling for $35,000. If the sales tax is 8%, how much money did he spend on taxes to buy this car? Feel free to pause the video if you want to try this problem. In order to calculate the sales tax, we're trying to find a percent of a number. So what we're trying to find is, what is 8% of the purchase price of $35,000? To find a percent of a number, you could use this formula. The part is equal to the base times the rate. The part is the number that is associated with the word is, which is what we're trying to find in this problem. The base is the number that's associated with the word of. In this case, that's the purchase price of the vehicle. The rate is the percentage as a decimal. So what is 8% of 35,000? The base is 35,000, the rate is 8%. We need to convert the percent to a decimal. We could do that by dividing it by 100. 8% divided by 100% is 0.08. So that's the rate. So 35,000 times 0.08 is 2,800 or 2,800. So 2,800 is 8% of 35,000. That's going to be the sales tax that he's going to have to pay on this vehicle to buy the car. So that's how you can calculate the sales tax of an electric vehicle in this particular example.